The stocks of innovative companies that are disruptive exhibit significant volatility. Top G investors can exploit this volatility for huge profits. A recent example is the sharp decline in nuclear energy sector stocks on January 27, 2025. This decline was triggered by news surrounding DeepSeek, a new artificial intelligence model, which is said to consume significantly less energy compared to existing AI technologies or the existing AI technologies. The market, fearing that a less energy-intensive artificial intelligence could reduce the demand for energy production, reacted negatively, impacting companies across the energy sector. However, a closer analysis shows that this market decline is likely exaggerated and overlooks the long-term growth of nuclear energy. This temporary decline may represent a strategic entry opportunity into companies with strong fundamentals, which are poised to benefit from the ongoing global demand for reliable, clean base energy. The energy consumption from artificial intelligence, including large language models and data, is a significant factor, but it is only a part of the global energy landscape. The market's reaction to the entry of DeepSeek seems to overlook the most important factors affecting the energy future. The International Energy Agency predicts a record in the use of nuclear energy, highlighting the ongoing and increasing need for clean, reliable energy sources worldwide. The demand for energy, and specifically for reliable and stable base power, is increasing due to many factors unrelated to the development of AGN. Electrification, urbanization, and the increase in the global population are boosting the demand for electricity. At the same time, decarbonization efforts and the need for energy security make nuclear energy a critical solution for the energy transition and the reduction of dependence on fossil fuels in Western societies. The recent market downturn has created an attractive opportunity, as companies in the nuclear sector are trading at a significant discount in terms of their valuation. For investors with a long-term perspective, this could be a golden opportunity. Let's now take a look at 4 stocks from the nuclear sector with great potential. NuScale Power is a resource in small modular reactors, with the unique advantage of approval from the American Nuclear Regulatory Commission, and its stock experienced a 27.9% drop but is already recovering, suggesting a possible overreaction by the market. Next, we have Constellation Energy. It is the largest operator of nuclear power plants in the USA. Despite a 20.85% drop, its stock maintains strong upward prospects, with profitability and agreements such as the 20-year contract with Microsoft for the restart of 3 Mile Island Unit 1, Cameo Corporation, one of the world's leading uranium producers. Despite a 15.32% drop, the company maintains an upward trend, increasing its dividends and forecasting production growth in the coming years. Next, we have Oklo. Oklo is an innovative nuclear energy company developing small, autonomous nuclear reactors, aimed at creating a new generation of clean, reliable, and cost-effective energy. The company aims to transform the energy sector with reactors that operate for 10+ years, without the need for refueling, and without the need for large electricity distribution networks. Oklo has already attracted the attention of significant investors. 2 of its biggest supporters are Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, a major shareholder and one of Oklo's most significant backers, practically demonstrating his confidence in the future of nuclear energy, and ARK Investment Management by Cathie Wood. ARK, known for its investments in disruptive technologies, has strategically invested in Oklo, appreciating its long-term value in the energy sector. But what makes Oklo special? Revolutionary microreactors, known as Aurora powerhouses by the company, are unique in the market, designed to operate without the need for continuous refueling, thereby reducing operational costs. Development speed. Oklo's reactors require much less time to become operational compared to traditional nuclear plants. Clean energy with fuel reuse. Oklo plans to use recycled fuel from existing reactors, making its technology even more sustainable. Partnerships with the private sector. It is already collaborating with industrial businesses and data center companies seeking stable green energy. Despite its ambitious strategy, Oklo is still a developing company in the nuclear energy sector. Regulatory risk is a significant factor, as the approval of the reactors by the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission will determine its course. However, with the support of major investors and the growing need for reliable, clean energy, Oklo could be one of the most interesting investment opportunities of the next decade. For investors looking for opportunities in a growing sector, the current decline in nuclear energy stocks may prove to be an ideal time for strategic positioning. Companies like Noscale, Constellation Energy, Cameco, and the promising Oklo offer strong fundamentals and long-term growth prospects. The future of clean energy seems to pass through nuclear technology. What is the opinion on the nuclear sector? Write your thoughts below, and as always, don't hesitate to respond, and we'll discuss it in the next video.